Hello, today we are going to talk about Tata Housing Loan Against Property. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Tata Housing Loan Against Property. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 65 years for salaried person, 21 years to 70 years for self-employed person. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 600. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 30 lakh to 5 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 15 years. Login fees will be 5,900. Rate of interest will be 10% to 14% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 5 days. Insurance charges will be as per age of applicant. Foreclosure charges will be up to 4%. Processing fees will be 1% to 1.50% of the loan amount. Part payment is not allowed. Products are fresh loan, BT plus top-up, commercial and industrial purchase, lease rental discounting. Lock-in period is 12 months. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 5 years. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Tata Housing Loan Against Property up to 4 crore no financial. Location is 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are politician, share traders, police, DSA, applicant living in dominated area, real estate. Negative properties are leasehold property without PTM, stand-alone basement, demolition list property, PG property, GPA property, unapproved freehold property, unapproved farmhouse. No specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration, copy of MSME registration, copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.